Now I will be talking on another important cave sites located near Bhaja and Bedsa caves, that is Karle caves. Karle caves are located in Pune district of Maharashtra. The culmination of Chaitya architecture can be seen at Karle Chaitya Gruha. It is a group of 15 excavations, and this cave site can be dated from the 1st century before Common Era to the 5th 6th centuries of Common Era. The work of excavating this site continued at least for 5 to 6 centuries. Among all excavations, cave number 8 is a Chaitya Gruha, also called Maha Chaitya, which can be attested by anyone who visits and experiences its grandness. An inscription here at this cave itself mentions this cave to be the best Chaitya Gruha in the whole Jambudvip. This inscription is dated to the 1st century CE on the basis of paleography, which makes this cave 1900 years old. The geographic term Jambudvipa can more or less be compared to present South Asia. This is the largest Chaitya Gruha in the terms of size, refinement, symmetry, dimensions and perfection. At the front, there were two massive monolithic pillars, out of which the one to the left is surviving. The large veranda has 3 doorways to enter the Chaitya Gruha. The Chaitya Gruha is a upside on plan with pillars and has a stupa at its back. The side walls of the veranda are gracefully ornate with a series of Chaitya arches and elephants, that is a Gajamalika. The monolithic pillar is very much influenced by the Ashokan pillars, as known by the pillar capital in the form of 4 lions representing power in the 4 directions, or the place which is open to the Buddhist Sangha coming from all 4 directions, as well as the spread of Dhamma in all 4 directions and other similar elements. The pillar has a tapering body and an inverted bell like shape. The facade of Chaitya cave provides meticulous details. Wooden ribs and rafters can be seen. Series of Chaitya arches in diminishing patterns placed above one another can be seen. All 3 doors are topped by Chaitya arches. The intrusive Buddha images are seen in the space between 2 couple figures added during the later phase of 4th-5th century CE. The inscription mentions Sethi Bhutapala, who hailed from Vaijayanti, which has been identified with a modern Banvasi in Karnataka, commissioned the Chaitya, which is the best and unparalleled example in entire Jambudvip. The stupa has elaborated architectural elements and design which are in a perfect synchronization. The Chaitya also preserved the wooden ribs and rafters. The pillars have a squarish elevated platform, pot-shaped element, octagonal shaft, inverted bell-shaped element and human riding animal figures. Many inscriptions on the facade, railing, side walls and pillars provide useful information regarding royal as well as community patronage. Excavation of railing, pillars, etc. seems to be in the fashion. Yavanas or Indo-Greeks appear as the donors of many of pillars as well as other architecture elements. The stupa is a 2-tiered and has the surviving wooden Chatrayashti and the only surviving wooden Chatravali in the western Deccan. Lotus medallion seen on the Chatravali forms the earliest example of contextually preserved wooden art. Teak wood of very good quality was used for making this. 2 layers of paintings can be seen, one showing the basic motifs of the flora and fauna and the second phase of paintings starts showing the Buddha images. The human figures at the pillars inside the Chaitya represent early human depictions belonging to the Satvahan period. One of the pillars has a lotus medallion with a deep groove. There are 2 inscriptions, of which the first was erased. Earlier, the pillar was donated by a Buddhist monk Sati Mitra an expert in reciting Buddhist texts, that is a Bhanaka of Sopara, an associate